Most deck cleaning business owners think a CRM is just for storing customer phone numbers. That's where they go wrong. Because in 2026, the companies winning the most jobs are using CRM systems as their full booking and operations engine. Here's the truth no one tells you. In deck cleaning, customers don't wait. If you don't respond fast, they hire someone else the same day. And without the right CRM, fast response is almost impossible to maintain consistently. In this video, you'll learn exactly what makes the best CRM for deck cleaning businesses, what features actually matter, and how to use it to book more jobs without adding more stress to your day. Let's start with the real issue. Most deck cleaning companies rely on phone calls, text messages, and memory. A lead comes in from Google or Facebook, and someone tries to respond later. But later is usually too late. The customer has already moved on. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best CRM solves this by turning every lead into an immediate action. First, you need instant lead capture. When someone like John requests a deck cleaning quote online, the CRM should automatically save that lead, assign it, and trigger an instant response. No waiting. No manual entry. Just instant engagement. Second, speed in quoting is everything. Deck cleaning jobs are often price sensitive and seasonal. Your CRM should let you send estimates within minutes. Imagine Alex walking a property, taking a quick photo, and sending a quote before even leaving the driveway. That speed alone can double your close rate. But here's the problem most owners don't see. Winning the job is only half the work. The real challenge is staying organized during peak season. Your CRM should manage scheduling and crew assignments automatically. Instead of calling your team every morning, the system should show each worker their job location, time, and instructions in real time. No confusion. No missed appointments. Now let's talk about profit leaks. Most deck cleaning companies lose money not from lack of leads, but from poor follow-up. A customer requests a quote, doesn't respond, and gets forgotten. A strong CRM fixes this with automated follow-ups through text and email. That means even if a customer ignores your first quote, they get reminded again later without you doing anything. In a minute, I'll break down the features that separate basic CRMs from the systems that actually help you scale your deck cleaning business. First, mobile access. Your team is always in the field, so everything must work perfectly on a phone. Second, automation. Quotes, reminders, and follow-ups should run without manual effort. Third, integration. Your CRM should connect with maps, invoicing tools, and messaging apps so your workflow stays connected. Finally, reporting. You need to know which leads convert, which jobs are profitable, and where your marketing is working best. So here is the simple truth. The best CRM for deck cleaning businesses in 2026 is not about storing contacts. It is about speed, automation, and control over your entire operation. When you set it up correctly, you respond faster, book more jobs, and stop losing leads you already paid for. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment with your current CRM setup, and subscribe for more business growth strategies like this.